Hi, today I will show you how to fix a bad topology using Remesh in Blender. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Thank you. For example, click Shift A and choose type. Using tab keypad to change the type. Now I will adjust the font and the geometry. If you go to edit mode using tab keypad, you can see the topology is quite a mess here. First, all you have to do is right click on it and convert it to mesh. Go to modifier and remesh. The more you decrease the voxel, the better the object will be. Okay, now as you can see, the topology now is proper. You can see it's not that messy as it used to be. Now you can apply the remesh modifier. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!